Hello everyone, welcome back to Colorado channel. This is Tina. Nice to see you all again. We get this question all the time once customer checking out our sock printer. That is, how many pairs can one machine print in one day? And some say 500 pairs per day, and some say 600 per day. And you might hear totally different answer. That is 200 pairs to 300 pairs per day maximum. So what exactly can one machine print in one day? With this question, today we are coming to the production line and see how our operators say about it. Excuse me.
Hi.
Hi. Lots of our customers wanted to know that what's the max daily output on this sock printer. 这台机器每一天最多能够打多少？
根据袜子不同的情况，可以打到500到600。
Okay, thank you so much. And according to our operator, the different design, different types of the socks, the daily output will be different. Maximum, it will be 500 to 600 per day. Here is the thing. That number isn't set in stone. So why does the same machine sometimes can produce 500 to 600 pairs per day, but sometimes only 200, 300 per day? That comes down to a few key factors. First, sock type. Different material, thickness, and stretch all need different printing settings. A regular socks versus a performance sock, big difference in speed. Second, design complexity. Simple all-over prints or basic placement, fast and easy. But complex patterns with multiple precise alignments, that takes more time to set up and register. Third, the printing mode. Some customers care most about the speed, but others prioritize color accuracy and fine details. So we adjust the printing profile based on what they actually need. A good sock printer is not just about the peak speed, but it's about the constant and stable and same effect of output batch after batch. At Colorado, we focus on the full package. From the R&D and to the assembly and production process and even the ICC color management, all to help you to get a reliable and high quality, high precision of the customer sock printing. If you are exploring the sock printing business, hit the subscribe button. Follow us, and we will share you more about this printing world. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.